Jake D man I am. Jake Locksmith Services. Jake D Locksmith. That's who I am. Locksmith, check this out. October 1st, 2026. Florida Panhandle. Pensacola, Florida. Jake D man I am. Jake Locksmith Services. I will be putting all the descriptions of this locksmith software video. I will be putting all the descriptions in. Check this software out. This is for all professional locksmith. You can get key codes, you can get pin codes, you can get many things from this software. I will be putting all the description down of this software where you can get it, buy what you need to buy, and keep going, professional locksmiths. Yes, indeed, this is a nice software, a game changer for all us locksmiths in the world, all over the world. Even dealerships will want this here. Man, this is a game changer here. Today is August 1st, 2026. United States of America. Jake D man I am. Jake D Locksmith man. Jake Locksmith Service. I will be putting all descriptions of this locksmith software in the video. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Yes, locksmiths in the world, all over. This is a game changer for all of us. We need this software. American, overseas, everywhere. We need it. Today is August 1st, 2026, United States of America, Florida Panhandle, Pensacola, Florida. Jake D man I am. Jake D Locksmith. Jake Locksmith Service. I will be putting all the descriptions of this software in the video. Check it out. Check the whole video out. We need this. We all need this. This is a game changer here. I'm telling you, boy. Yes, indeed. I will be putting the whole description, the company, everything, how you can get it, how you can download it, how you can do whatever you need to do. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Motion detected at the bedroom window cam. Motion detected at the living room cam. 2. Motion detected at front doorbell. Motion detected at the living room window cam. Motion detected at the bedroom camera.
Okay, Alexis. Okay, Alexis. Okay, Alexis. I hear you. I hear you, Alexis. But I am making a video right now. You heard me? I'm making a video. Let me make the video, Alexis, and I will check out what you're talking about, Alexis.
Motion detected at the bedroom
Okay,
window
Alexis. Okay, Alexis. Okay, Alexis. Okay, Alexis.